So guys, we're just 3 days away from CAT and I welcome you all from IIM Calcutta. I am at the IIM Calcutta campus right now and I'm here only to wish you all the best for your CAT. We're just 3 days away from it, and in this 3 days I want you to look at this place, just look at this iconic place and to take inspiration from it, to feel inspired to be here, to feel something within you so that you can crush the CAT exam and actually be here. My objective was to give you the good vibes which you need. Over the last 4 weeks, each day I've been creating videos for you to help you solidify your strategy for the exam. However, in this last 1 week, I've been helping you with your mindset, with the way you think. And this I thought was a very important thing to do for you so that I can just give you a glimpse of IIM Calcutta and make you believe in yourself that you can be here, you can make it happen for yourself. And if you go in with that kind of a thought in your CAT exam, that will truly help you crush the competition. So guys, one more thing which I want you guys to always keep in your head is that IIM Calcutta is probably one of the chillest campuses, the chillest old IIMs out there. And from here, one thing which you need to keep in your head is that that is exactly what you need to do for the last 3 days as well. That you need to chill. You need to take inspiration from this place in its truest sense. Chill out, relax, do not feel overwhelmed about it. And just know that even students at IIMC chill out and are very relaxed in their first year, even in their second year. That is the kind of inspiration which you need to have from here. So that was about it from my end, from IIM Calcutta. I hope that the last 3 days to CAT are fairly enjoyable for you and you're able to do extremely well in it. Thanks a lot and goodbye.